Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to speak a few words about Telangana Formation Day. Telangana Formation Day is celebrated on June 2nd every year. On this day, in 2014, Telangana became the 29th state of India. This day reminds us of the long struggles and sacrifices made by many people for a separate Telangana state. Telangana is known for its rich culture, traditions, historical places, and hard working people. The capital city of Telangana is Hyderabad. On Telangana Formation Day, people celebrate with cultural programs, flag hosting, and various events across the state. It's a day of pride and joy for all Telangana people. So happy Telangana Formation Day. Jai Telangana. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.